In example 4, we're going to complete the following tables using equations. So this time, instead of giving you the table, you giving us the equation of the graph, we're going to give you the equation, and we're going to move into how to complete a table of values. So remember, our x values here are going to be our input values. We're going to take each of these values of x, put them into our equation, and our equation is just a rule. And once we do that rule to our input value, then we're going to get this output value right here. So let's do the first one. This is going to be my workspace. So the first one I'm going to try is when the input value, or x, is 1. So I'm going to take my equation y equals 2, substitute x with my input value of 1, and then do my calculations. Follow BitMess. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So my output value, when x is 1, the rule says y is equal to 3. I double it, add 1, my output value is 3. My ordered pair, if I needed it, would be written as 1, 3. All right, let's do this again. X equals 2. Y is equal to 2. X becomes 2. Double it, add 1. 4 plus 1, my output value is 5. 4x is 3. My rule is take x out, put 3 in, and then add 1. So double it, that's 6. Add 1, my output value is 7. When x is 4, my rule says double the 4, add 1. That's 8 plus 1, or 9. X equals 5, my last one. My rule says take that 5, multiply it by 2, add 1, and 10 plus 1 is 11. Let's look at part B. In part B, we have a new rule, and our rule says our input value is x. I'm going to take my x value, I'm going to go 10, subtract my x value, and these are the x values I'm asked to use. So my first input value is x equals 7. I put that into my rule. It's 10, subtract that x. 10 subtract 7, that's 3. If I needed an ordered pair, remember that would be 7, 3. I'll put 5 in. Y is equal to 10. Now subtract 5. When the input value is 5, the output value is 5. Independent variable, dependent variable. When x is 4, 10 subtract 4 is 6. When x is 2, 10 subtract 2, well, that's 8. And our last one, when x is 0, 10 subtract 0 now is 10.